Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is February 19th of 2020, and I'm going to be planting my fennel seedlings here into their larger container out in the greenhouse. Now I already do have some fennel seedlings that I have transplanted, which I will show you later on in the video. Let's get these out here. See the root systems on these here. So the food that I'm using is the Eco Scraps all-purpose 555 plant food. I have a link for it down in the description. Just get this in here. There we go. Here. Go. There we go. So I'm just going to give this a nice watering until water runs out the bottom. And this is the Florence funnel. I do have videos on my channel for how I started this from seed. And I am doing a playlist on this. And when I harvest it, or as it starts growing more, I'll come back with more videos and I'll show it to you. So you can check out the playlist then for future updates. So I gave this a little bit of water. I'm going to give it a little bit more here. Now, fennel has a wonderful licorice flavor to it, and they use the seeds a lot in like making sausage. And Florence fennel, which is what this variety is, I believe is an Italian fennel, and like they put it in your Italian sausages, and they put it like in the Italian sausages that go on pizzas and different things. So I'm really looking forward to trying this. And we grew it a long time ago, but we really at the time didn't know exactly what to do with it. But I'm really looking forward to getting to taste what the bulbs taste like. And then of course you'll have your fennel seeds if you let it go that far. Florence fennel is an heirloom. So providing you don't have any other varieties of fennel blooming at the same time, you should be able to collect the seeds off of it, and it should seed true for you. And fennel likes cooler weather, from what I understood. So really looking forward to watching this grow and getting to try it. So I will show you the other container then that I had just transplanted a few days ago. So we'll be right back. So this is my fennel that I had just transplanted, and I started this from seed. Now, what fennel does is it produces like an edible bulb on it that you can eat then. So, you know, I'm just going to keep feeding these. I am going to also feed these with Sea Magic, which is an organic plant food. I'll have a link down in the description for that, along with the Eco Scraps 555 all-purpose plant food. And as this continues to grow, I'll come back with more videos and I'll show it to you. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. Notifies I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!